My name is Galen Jones, and I am the software developer for this project. My responsibility as software developer was to create the Contact Us page for our website. I embedded a contact form to my code to complement the page. The way that this form works is that it sends the MGA Cyberknights an email through a contact form, which is stored on the Google Cloud Framework. Or for a quicker response, users can join the Discord server using the link found on the membership page and message the Cyberknights as a group, or can message members directly. With that being said, I will now pass it over to my project manager to conclude the presentation. Thank you.